Hello, I am at my listing at 11509 Waterhaven Drive. Just doing a quick video to show you what I do for my clients when they're out of town. See that grass? I'm gonna cut it. Talk to you later. Well, all done. A little hard work never hurt anybody, right? There you go.